second and last day in this beautiful region of Cappadocia. Due to weather conditions, we were unable to go up in the balloons, therefore we're gonna take it calm. Our first destination of the day is the Open Air Museum of Göreme. But before we get there, we are gonna make a little stop in a chapel that our friend from the restaurant will take us to. We're gonna go to a church that it is from the 10th, 11th century. Ooh. Wow. Look at this church, guys. This is ridiculously old.
In Chile, they are like this church?
No, no. Chile is 200 years old.
20 years old?
200.
200 years
Yes.
old. This is original.
This is original.
This is original.
So look, this is the original chart, how it used to be, how people used to carve to make it look like this. It's very small but extremely beautiful. We're continuing our trip. Yes. Going up. Okay. There we go. What a beautiful place this one is.
Got lost inside your light, like I always seem to do when you show me the way. All I want is to set you free. Baby, now we can live our dreams. All I want is for you to see that I can be all you need.
Guys, these chapels are from the 11th century. And this is a table carved out of the cave itself. This place is really nice, but I would dare to say that the most impressive things are actually the chapels, which are mind-blowing. Because the houses and everything that's related with the way that people used to live is actually better in the underground city than here. There is one thing I don't really like, and that is the fact that inside you can't take pictures nor filming, which it can be a little bit of a pain in the ass, especially because for me, I want to show it to you. But don't worry, my friends, that is why I am here. Sultanian just doesn't give up so easily, because exploring together is about all of us together. Otherwise it could be exploring alone. And that is why I will try my very best to make a little pirate video of one special church, chapel. Bye-bye.
What video is it?
Oh, so just turn on the video.
Close camera.
Sure. There is this Asian guy who wants to fly his drone here, which I kind of think is a really good idea, but a very stupid one at the same time. It isn't only extremely touristic, I'm pretty sure it's also forbidden. That's why the smart way to do it is that you get out of here and you fly your drone in here, but you don't fly it from here. Anyway, I want to see what's gonna happen. There he goes. Okay, so being fair enough, he's flying it in a proper way. He's not just toying with it. Which of course, playing with a drone can be fun, but it is something I'm personally against of, because that's what produces lots of trouble for us, the drone pilots. Yeah, no, he's using it properly. Oh, there's security. Ooh, look! So far, I must admit, the Open Air Museum is very impressive. Very, very impressive, eh? As I said before, unique place. All in Cappadocia. That's why I am giving it a golden compass. 100% golden compass. It is our last evening in this wonderful land of Cappadocia, and I decided that we should get lost in between the fairy chimneys, just to talk. and to enjoy this nature's masterpiece.
Do you see me standing here? I got nothing without you but fear.
So coming back with the drone topic, you know, I understand authorities when they do regulate the spaces where you can fly drones, because indeed it can be used for bad purposes like spying or invading private property. But I also think that there has been an over-regulation of it. The fact that I have made so many drone videos during this trip is because of that. I have been mostly afraid of get caught and involving myself in a problem in a foreign country, you know? So the two controversial opinions is that, yes, I do understand that drones can be used with a bad end, with a bad purpose, but at the same time you are killing the opportunity to see and show the world in a different perspective, which is at least what I like to use the drone for. So that's kind of the thing. How are you gonna regulate who is doing good or wrong with the drone? It truly is awesome. The drones have changed the filmmaking forever. We are looking the world from a bird perspective, and for example, I could show you all the landscape which I'm looking at right now in an amazing way, which I'm gonna do right now.
Close your eyes and find the light. You got nothing left to lose tonight. In the end we'll see a change. Only love lasts, only love in the night.
But then, with a drone, I could do this.
Down, 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 down. It's the crime of the century. We fight for the reason honoring everyone we left behind. Till the light is brought back to every kind. Give me everything you got. Let's leave this world behind.
So, at the end of the day, I think the conclusion is that I hope that one day we can fly the drone with more freedom. Yeah. From now on, the vlog is just me talking about random stuff. So that's a hint for you to stop watching if you want. However, the end of the video is amazing. Talking about the vlog, I just realized that I didn't make an intro, so I guess I will just do it now. Hello everybody! ¿Cómo está? Ian Lewis here and welcome to Exploring Together, the YouTube show where we try to discover the beautiful things and also the interesting ones that this world has to offer. Today is our last day in this beautiful land of Cappadocia and sadly also in Turkey. Today is a calm vlog, but now there's only one thing left to do. And that is why this afternoon we are doing the Turkish of the Turkish. That's how you say it? Things! Now, we're not gonna eat another kebab, and no, we're not gonna drink coffee, because we already have gone to the mosques, we have already seen the Turkish carpets, and having already tried the delicious baklava, there is only one great Turkish thing to do. Giving you a hint. Turkey, relaxed vlog. Turkey, relaxed vlog. Yes, you guessed it. You guys are so smart. Feeling proud. Indeed, our last experience in Turkey will be a Turkish bath. This already feels relaxing. Now we have to get completely naked to go to the Turkish bath. And the weirdest thing is that this is almost mixed. Girls are just one wall away. Can't film inside, but I will tell you everything once I'm ready. See you soon. Guys, what experience. How to put it in words? It is like the closest thing that I have ever experienced to a non, but at the same time extremely erotic experience. Because first of all, I thought it was gonna be me alone, but you kinda go in groups. So it was basically me and two other girls, almost completely naked. And this is how it goes. You first go to a sauna, then you go to a vapor bath, and later you pass to sort of a room that has a huge stone in the middle, and there are three ladies. So basically it was me laying in a stone with other two girls almost naked, while other three girls were kind of cleaning us up. Summarizing the whole experience, it was awesome. I feel like if I would have born again. And also, I'm really relaxed, which is basically what I was needing so we can continue exploring the places where we're gonna go. Overall, it was just great. Today is our last morning in Cappadocia, also in Turkey. Woke up a little bit earlier so we could see the balloons. I cannot but feel a little bit disappointed by the fact that I couldn't take you up inside the balloon. But I guess that's a reason to come back. Beautiful morning we're having, all beautiful Göreme, which is our castle over there. And wait for this, because it is getting very impressive. Very, very impressive. Lastly, bye bye, beautiful lands of Cappadocia. My first time in Asia, beautiful land. Like, share and subscribe, and I will be seeing you soon, you balloonish explorer. Dear Turkey, thank you for your past and your present. Your food, your people, and your millenary culture influenced by different religions and civilizations make of you a humankind's treasure. It is sad to leave, but I hope one day we, the explorers, can make it back to explore the countless hidden secrets that you still have for us to explore. Until then, us, the ones who enjoy exploring together.